Hi guys, good morning. So today we are discuss about women empowerment. We all know the women power, women empowerment, women importance in our life. Yes, it's my topic, women power and women empowerment. So let's start. Women empowerment is made up of two words, women and empowerment. Empowerment the given power and authority to someone. So women empowerment is power in hand of woman. It signifies that women should be equal opportunity in variety of field, irrespective and discrimination. Women empowerment is power to create women to live happy and respectable life in society. Women empower when they are able to access variety of field such as education, profession, lifestyle, literacy, etc. without any limitation or restriction is raising their status through education, profession, lifestyle, awareness, etc. It also includes the take decision. When women make crucial decisions, she feels empowered. So I have some question. So my first question is, what is women empowerment? Okay, so why women's empowerment is important?
Your question is too good. People do the injustice and violence on the woman empowerment. So we get the violence justice for the on the woman empowerment. Thank you.
Yes, your opinion is too good. So my next question is, what is importance of women in our life?
It's too good question. So women are really very important in our lives. They played a really very tough role in our life. They are primary category of ours. So yes, women are.
So as you say, Kasturi, women importance in our life is very important. So my next question is, who is Nirmala Sitharaman?
Nirmala Sitharaman is financial minister of our country.
Yes, right. So my next question is your opinion about women empowerment.
So my opinion is empowerment means give power or authority to someone. That's it. Women empowerment. That's it. Women empowerment. Women empowerment means power in hands of a woman.
Thank you so much. Your opinion is too good. So list of government policy for girls.
It is very important question, and so many governmental policies are given by government for welfare of girl, like Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, Mukhyamantri Ladki Yojana, Beti Padhao Beti Bachao, Ladki Scholarship, Lakshmi Ladki Yojana, and so many girls take benefits of these policies.
Yes, thank you so much. The various government policy for girls, as Rucha says. So my next question is, how can we support women to become independent?
We need to give them opportunity to achieve their goals and successes, because contribution give them rights to achieve their goals and ambitions.
Thank you so much. So my next this question again for you.
Actually, we want to give permission to go outside in late night, and we want to change the mentality of society. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Your opinion is too good. So my next question is, describe struggle in their life in today's world.
Oh, such a nice question. So my opinion about struggle means to produce with the difficulties or with the great efforts. So there are many struggle in the human life. She work office and home. She cares everyone, she teach everyone, she do anything because she is human, and she work in every and each field.
Yes, your opinion is too good. So all women are their own freedom, but some women don't give their own freedom. It's so rude thing. Actually, women want to be independent, and actually women's working in same role as a compare man did. So actually women are working in each and every field, like driving a vehicle to as an astronaut. So we are know about the past. In the mentality of people is very cheap that time, and the women are sacrifice each and everything for us. So as compared today's situation is very well. So I give a little advice for the women. Please give them some respect and give them some opportunity to express their ideas, express their feelings and all. So thank you so much to giving me this opportunity to express my ideas and express this topic. Women empowerment is with us. So thank you so much to listening me. That's it. Thank you so much.